Looking for the most popular and high-performing RC cars on the market? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best-selling RC cars on AliExpress, perfect for speed and off-road action. Number 1 is 1V6 70 km per hour RC monster truck, a powerhouse RC car that hits up to 70 km per hour, built for performance and control with a 4-bar suspension and LED lights. With a 7.4V lithium battery, 15-minute run time, and 120-meter control range, it's ideal for high-speed racing on any terrain. Small blue dot. Number 2 is ZWN 16 2.4 GHz off-road climber. This fun and compact RC car is made for kids and beginners. It reaches speeds of 20 km per hour, lasts 20 minutes, and handles rough terrain effortlessly. With LED lights and a sturdy design, it's a great gift for young RC fans. Number 3 is 16103 Fast RC truck, equipped with 4-wheel drive and LED headlights. This truck delivers 50 km per hour top speeds and a rugged waterproof design. With 15-minute runtime and 80-meter range, it's perfect for off-road adventuring and street racing alike. It runs for up to 20 minutes, offers great control, and comes fully equipped for both on-road drifting and off-road fun. Number 4 is 132 Proportion RC car, compact yet mighty. This compact, high-speed RC car may be small, but it packs a punch. With a 20 km per hour top speed, 2.4 GHz remote, and all-terrain capability, it's perfect for outdoor play. Lightweight, fast, and easy to control, it's a fantastic choice for kids and casual drivers alike. And number 5, Super Brushless 4WD RC car, an all-around performer featuring a brushless motor, 80 km per hour top speed, and robust 4x4 drivetrain. It runs for up to 20 minutes, offers great control, and comes fully equipped for both on-road drifting and off-road fun. From high-speed monsters to kid-friendly cruisers, these top 5 RC cars from AliExpress offer the best mix of fun, performance, and value. Small blue dot. Be sure to check the links in the description to grab yours. Like this video? Hit subscribe, tap the bell icon, and let me know your favorite in the comments.